Hola! Happy Cinco de Mayo! Thanks for joining. This is Cooking with Corin, and today for the festive holiday of Cinco de Mayo, I am going to be making a spicy guacamole. So today I went and got all fresh produce. I picked out this succulent, ripe avocado. So let's cut into that, shall we? So how are you? I'll try to shout out while I'm doing it. Ooh, beautiful. So this is how I get rid of the pit. I dig into it with a knife and then jar it out. Okay. So gorgeous. And I think I'll just scoop it out with either a spoon or a fork. So I got my bowl here. And I'm just gonna scoop it in a circular motion. Pretty much the whole thing popped out. We got lucky. This one doesn't have any brown spots. It's all green. Okay, there's that one. And let's put the whole one in there. I'll eat this probably for dinner and breakfast. Yummy. A nice big green half. Oh, wow. This is it even smells delicious. Okay. Wonderful. So there we go. We have our avocado. And I got 2 of those actually. So that one will be enough for just one person. So let's go for the tomato. I have this ripe, gorgeous tomato. And I always clean my knife in between. So I'm going to cut that little piece out. I've been talking all day, so excuse my voice. Hello, Adriano. Thank you. Okay. So I don't want to put this whole tomato in there. I'm just going to put half of it. That way I can save this tomato for my salad like tomorrow. And I'm going to cut that up in very little chunks. All right. Okay, so there's the tomato. Put that in with the guac. Even put the little tomato juice is fine. It all goes in. Even the little tomato seeds. Wonderful. Now let's go for the onion. So this is how much onion I'll be using. This is what I had left of my other onion. I got a brand new one in there. Thank you. Thank you for your compliments, Adriano. Thank you. I'm going to cut this up in very little inconspicuous pieces. Inconspicuous, like it'll flavor it and it won't be too obvious that there's onion in there. There'll be a hint of onion. So those who are just coming in, this is spicy guacamole for the festive holiday today, Cinco de Mayo. Okay. They'll just blend in with the avocado. So there's the onion, and let's just put that in there. Great. Now, let's go for some of this jalapeno. And by the way, I washed all these in really hot water before I started. So let's go for the jalapeno. Let's just cut off the piece that we want, which is about that much, and put this over here for the other meals. So I'm going to cut that up into little teeny, I'm going to chop it up. And anything that's unwanted, like a bird peck or something, just get rid of it. I'm cutting it up into little practically invisible pieces of jalapeno. All right. And there we go, just little pieces. Throw that in to our gorgeous guacamole, spicy guacamole bowl. Now, I'm going to cut up this cilantro into little garnish pieces, pretty little garnish pieces. All right. And any like unedible stems, I just get rid of. Another little stem. Okay. Now I'm going to slice this lime, and I want a quarter of this lime. So there's a half. Save those. And now let's take a quarter of that. Okay. So now I'm going to mix it. Oh, I'm going to add a little bit of salt with iodized nutrient. Oh, that one's the pepper. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. So now the salt. Nice, generous couple shakes. So now I'm going to sit here and I'm going to mush it all together with a fork. Just like that. And then I'm going to stir it. And then you get the idea, and I'll finish here. So I'm just taking my fork and just smashing down. Keep making circular motions. I like my guacamole a little bit chunky. So I don't like it really like blended per se. So I like it kind of chunky. So I'm not smashing all the way. Okay, now I just take it and just turn it over and leave some of those chunks. Make sure it's all together. Great. Now I'm going to take my lime juice and I'm going to just squirt the lime juice all over the guacamole. It fell in there. Okay. So I'm going to use both hands on this lime and get all that juice out of there. Wonderful. Now I'm going to mix it one more time. Make sure that lime juice gets in there. Somebody's writing in the comments, if you want to know about any of my other links on social media, then send me a message and it'll give you my email address, and I'll put my email address in the comments when I'm done with this video. That way you could take advantage of some of my promotions. Okay, so that's a little more blended than I like, but it's still chunky. Now I garnish with the cilantro. So I just, let's make it a little more shapely there. Great. So I just take the cilantro and sprinkle it on top. There's the guacamole. And then I take the chips and I turn the oven on. I turn it on like 400 and I just pour some chips into a bowl. And these are oven safe, I think. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Hey, thanks for the stars, Roderick. Thank you. Appreciate you. Mwah. I wish you were here to try this. This is my spicy guacamole. And I made a video once called Holy Guacamole, so now it's for Cinco de Mayo. So I'm gonna put these chips in the oven for just about 5 minutes. And that's it. This guacamole goes in the refrigerator, so it's nice and cold. See, I got a whole nother avocado. I love it in my salad. And that is it. Thank you for joining. If you came late, you'll see all the ingredients. If you just watch my video, you'll see all the fresh ingredients. I make it like the traditional style that I've seen at like El Torito restaurant. And thank you so much. I love you. Mwah. Have a happy 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo, and I'll catch you later. Thank you. Take care.